Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to fill a hole. So you can go to the parametric body and I will create new sketch. So for the examples, you can draw the simple sketch here and use pad tools to create into the 3D objects. And the second I will select at this face, create again new sketch. I will draw circle. Click close and I will create holes by using the hole tools. And now you can click OK to apply. So we have these two options. First, you can fill these holes first by clicking at the circles in here. And then use the pad tools to create a 3D. And you can change for the directions. You can set for the length same as the base object. Click OK to apply. So it will be automatically fill a hole. Another option, you also can edit for the sketch. You can go to the pad here, double click on sketch, and then you can delete the circle sketch, press delete button, and then click close to fill the hole. And for these holes, by using the hole tools, you can hide the options. So you can click here to hide the hole, and then you can show the pad. So to be hide or fill the hole. Okay, that's it for a basic FreeCAD 1.1, how to fill a hole.